Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Explore Lucid Dreaming, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a new method on how you can lucid dream right now. Now this is one of my favorite methods because it works so well, and this isn't really an official lucid dreaming method, but rather a variation of the CILD technique. Now I've made a video on CILD before, and if you haven't checked it out, I will leave a link up in the top corner of this video if you want to watch it. But as a lot of you know, the CILD method can be very difficult, and I'm sure you've tried it before if you are into lucid dreaming. It's just really hard, and today I'm going to be showing you a method called CILD, and this method makes CILD easier. It is pretty much a variation of CILD. And yeah, so let's just get straight into this video. But before I teach you how to do this amazing lucid dreaming method, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I try to post weekly lucid dreaming tutorials and videos, and if you want to be notified whenever a new one comes out, then subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. My end goal is to teach you how to master lucid dreaming so that you can do it every single night, or at least whenever you want. Now step one is to wake up right after a dream. So for me, this is about 5 a.m., but it's different for everyone, and this is why it's important to have a very good sleep cycle so that you know when your REM period is. And REM stands for rapid eye movement, which is when you have your dreams. So what you want to do is wake up during a dream. And once you wake up during a dream, you can perform the rest of this method. Step two is very similar to CILD. What you need to do is just lay flat on your back with your hands resting at your sides, and make sure that your legs are not crossed. Now if you cross your legs, it can really draw your attention to your body, and it is not what you want when you are trying to lucid dream. So just lay flat on your back. I think you can also do it on your side, but I heard that lying on your back is just a bit easier for a lot of people. And then this brings me to step three, which is closing your eyes and breathing deeply. So what you need to do is just inhale until your lungs are completely full, and then exhaling until they are completely empty. And you want to keep doing this until you feel relaxed. So just keep trying to relax yourself and feel yourself trying to sink deeper into your bed. As you can tell, this method is very similar to CILD, but step four is when things are going to start changing. Alright, so up to this point, you're lying down and you are completely relaxed, and this is where you can begin step four. Once you are relaxed, and only once you are relaxed, begin counting up, starting from 1, with about 1 to 2 second intervals between numbers. You want to make sure that you don't concentrate on the counting, but you want to let it continue naturally. And what this is supposed to do is keep you awake and prevent you from going into sleep. If you do this correctly, and if your mind is in the right state, you will slip right into a lucid dream. So what you want to do is not concentrate on the counting, but let it continue naturally. Now you don't want to let it continue too naturally to the point where you're not really thinking, because you could accidentally fall asleep. And what this does is it draws concentration to your mind, and it prevents you from falling asleep, but you're still relaxed enough so that your body will fall asleep. Now this is kind of like CILD, but you're just counting, and the only difference is that you're just using a different method to get your body to fall asleep and your mind to stay awake. Before long, you will feel yourself slipping away. Now this is usually at the 60-second mark for me, but it's different for everybody. If you do this correctly, the counting will remain in the background as you slowly transition into the dream world. Now if you do this successfully, you will be able to feel the transition into the dream world. So you will stay aware, but your mind starts dreaming. The counting will continue on its own, and you'll just kind of slip right into the dream. Now a side note is that sometimes you will lose awareness during the transition. Do not worry. The ringing clock of counting in the background will usually serve as a reality check and make you aware again. So what I mean by this is that the counting will just carry over straight into the dream. And even if you lose awareness, you're gonna keep counting, and then you're gonna question yourself, why am I counting? And then you're gonna realize instantly that you are entering a dream, and then you become lucid, and that's how that works. And of course, the final stage of this method is full-on lucidity. So now you are completely in a lucid dream. You can stop counting once you've planted yourself in the dream, And by the way, what I mean by planting yourself in the dream is making sure that you are completely aware in the dream. And I also have a video about dream awareness. You can click it in the top corner. And this is very important because once you become lucid in a dream, it is very, very important to know exactly what to do to make sure that your lucid dream lasts as long as possible. So lucid dreams can last for up to 40 minutes and more. And if you do the methods described in my dream awareness video, you will have a very long lucid dream. But that's about it for the CILD method of lucid dreaming. Let me know down below in the comments if this worked for you. Also, make sure to leave a comment down below what videos you want me to post in the future. If you have any suggestions for lucid dreaming, if you have any questions you want answered, I will definitely do that. Again, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Just hit that big red button if you want to be notified whenever a new lucid dreaming tutorial comes out. One of the best ways to lucid dream if you're a beginner is just to surround yourself with lucid dreaming content. And on my channel, you'll find a whole bunch of different tutorials and videos about lucid dreaming. So if you're new here, make sure that you watch those videos so that you get lucid dreaming in your head, and then you can lucid dream very easily. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate the support. Make sure to leave a like, and I will see you guys next time.